Tutorials with Miss Courtney. Today we are going to be making red, white, and blue flowers. Here's what they look like. And they're super fun to make. So what you need is some paper. I have red, white, and blue paper. Just a standard 8.5 by 10 size. These are just printer paper, and then this one is construction paper that I cut down to size. And then I have these blue and white straws. They're really cool. Some tape, scissors, glue, and then a jar to hold your flowers. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're going to want to do first is take your paper, and then we're going to fold it in half, the horizontal way, and then fold it in half again. And then you're going to want to cut down the middle of the paper, like this. So then this will give you the blue flower. And then you want to do the same thing with the white paper and the red paper. So then again, you have 2 more pieces, like this. Make sure they're horizontal. And then the red one. Okay, and then we'll fold those in half. And then what you're going to want to do is take the folded side and then cut slits. So you just take your scissors and you're going to want to cut slits, but don't go all the way to the top. I would say leave like a little bit at the top. Just enough so that you can roll the paper onto the stick. So as you can see, I didn't cut all the way through. So we still have some room left at the top. And you can make these as thick as you want or as thin as you want. So then just cut all of them, the red, the white, and the blue, all the way to the end. And then I will show you what we do after I cut all these out. Okay, so welcome back. So I finished cutting all of my strips out, and as you can see, they're all cut out. And then what we're going to do to make them a little bit fluffier and look fuller is you're going to want to take the paper, open it up and flatten it out, and then you're going to want to place some glue along this edge of the paper. Now I'm just using a glue stick for this because it's easier and less mess. And then you're going to want to fold it the opposite way. It's a little bit tricky because the paper wants to go back the original way. But once you get it stuck, it'll be okay. Okay, I think I need some more glue. is being very tricky today. Okay, there we go. So then you can see how it looks a little fluffier. And then when we go to add it to the stick, it'll poof out like these. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So now I am going to show you how to roll the paper onto the straw. So you're going to want to take this end of the flower of the paper strip, and then you're going to put a little drop of glue just so it holds it in place while you're rolling it. So then we'll hold that for a couple seconds so it'll dry. These are really great decorations to make for your house, and they're really cute. So once that's dry, you're just going to roll it around the straw. Put that down, and then here's what it looks like so far. And then to add the next strip, just add another dot of glue at the end of the other strip, like that. And then you're just going to hold it for a couple seconds and then roll it the exact same way that we did the other one. And I am just adding 2 strips of paper. You can add more if you want the flower to be fuller. And then you can also add different colors if you wanted. That might be cool to add a red, white, and blue one. Like add 1 strip of red and then 1 strip of white and then 1 strip of blue. So it's a little tricky because the petals, the strips want to fly out. But once you get it wrapped on there, you're going to add another drop of glue and make sure the strips are all, they're not tucked under the other strip. Okay, so mine's all rolled. Now I'm going to get a drop of glue. And add it to the end. And I'm just going to hold it in place for a couple of minutes. And then this is where your washi tape comes in handy. So see that ugly edge of the flower? We're going to hide that with washi tape. So we're just going to take the tape and then wrap it around the straw. I'd say about this big for now. Whoops, mine ripped. Okay. So I'm just squishing it all in there and wrapping it around the straw. And these would also be great for pens. If you wanted to decorate the end of a pen, that would be fun. Okay, so there we go. I have it taped on. And now I can start opening up these little petals. Okay, welcome back. So this flower turned out a little different than the other ones, which is kind of cool. Because no flower will be alike. But look, it's a little different, but I think it looks awesome. So then when you add them to your jar, they look so cute. Look at that. So these are really fun to make. All you need is a straw, paper, glue, and washi tape, and scissors. So thank you for joining me today with Craft Tutorials with Miss Courtney. Bye for now.